Hey guys, so first what you're going to do is take your hair from one side of your head and start twisting it toward the back of your head, adding in hair as you go. Just keep twisting until you get to the other side of your head, and then add in the rest of the hair to form a side ponytail. Then I pulled at the twist and at the hairs of the crown of my head just to make everything a little bit more full and fluffy and beautiful, and just really loosened this whole style up. I went ahead and pulled my bangs out as well in the front. I wrapped the hair tie by taking a piece of hair, a section of hair from the ponytail, wrapping it around the hair tie until I had no more hair, and then I bobby pinned it into place. You can always do this with a clear elastic band as well by leaving a little hair out and then tying it off. Then I went ahead and threw some curls in my hair using the Bayless or Babyless, I don't even know what it's called, but it's an amazing curling iron, and I just changed the direction of the curls. I didn't hold them too long because I just wanted kind of a natural loose wave look. And then to hold the curls in place, I sprayed them with a really light hold hairspray, and there's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. This is such a cute hairstyle. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Let me know if you did in the comments below, or give me a thumbs up so I can know what you guys like to see. Be sure to subscribe below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!